Hey guys, John, Rapid Metal Fab here. Today we are cutting some 1/4 inch 0.25 stainless steel and some carbon steel. And we have the capacity to cut any part you need. And if you need it fast, you need to call us at Rapid Metal Fab. Here's our sample sheet that we are working with, getting this laser dialed in this morning. So that we can get these customer parts out the door. We have 2,000 of these parts to run on a very consistent basis. We run a lot of 12 gauge and 3/16 aluminum and 12 gauge stainless and carbon. So 1/4 inch we had to re-get set up here, but hey, not a problem. If you guys have parts and you need them quickly, give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always here and happy to help with those needs, and we can get you quick turnarounds on quotes, quick turnarounds on parts. So also we do a second and third step if you guys need that as well. We do breaking of parts over there, and of course we also do powder coating as well if you need that stuff quoted too. So please give us a call. We are here and happy to help fulfill your needs in the metal fabrication sector of the world. So thanks for watching, and if you guys have questions or comments, also put them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you on those. Thanks for watching.